Hello from Superior Van Mobility, and today we're going to go over different wheelchair tie-down options for your wheelchair accessible vehicle. These first tie-downs are standard in all the wheelchair accessible vehicles that we sell. Simply pull back on this lever, put the J-hook in the chair, put a little tension on it, snap that back in place, then you're good to go. The next upgraded option we have is the QString Retractable tie-downs. Very easy to use. Pull the J-hook out, hook it onto your chair, let it auto retract, and that's it. When you're ready to release, press the red lever, let it self-retract back in. Now you're ready to go. Our final and easiest option is going to be the automatic tie-down from Easy Lock or QString. They make multiple different brackets for multiple different chairs. They are crash tested, and it is a mandatory feature if you plan on driving from your wheelchair. All right, now I'm going to simply just show you how to use the manual tie downs right here. You'll pop this lever right here, pull up, find the best place on your chair, pull back till there's enough tension, snap it down right in place. We do have other videos on our YouTube channel to show you how to properly tie down all four. To simply release it, pull that back, pull that. Now I'm going to show you how the QString Retractable tie down works. Simply pull out the J-hook, hook it onto your chair, pull a little bit of tension if you need to. That's it. Very simple to use. Once you're ready to release, press the red lever, pull out the J-hook, it will retract in. And now I'm going to show you how easy it is to use the automatic tie down. We will have to install a bracket on the bottom of your chair along with the pin. You'll simply just wheel right in place. Once you hear the click, that means you're tied down and you're good to go. Once you're at your destination, you will have to hit the unlock button right here. That's it. Very simple. If you have a question about any of these tie downs, please reach out to us at superiorvan.com or your local mobility consultant today.